So hey guys, and welcome back to C# Shorts. This is a daily uploaded C# tutorial series. We're gonna make jumping. First, start by adding a rigid body to the player. Just click add component rigid body and add it. Now go to the ground and rename it to ground. This is really important. And then go inside the player script, make a variable, a private on ground variable, and this is gonna be a bool. Then write if input that get key code dot space. Now write if on ground is equals to true. Write player object, just copy this. Player object that get component, a rigid body dot add force 0, 1000 and 0 force mode dot impulse, and multiply the 1000 with time dot delta time, and set on ground to false. Now write on collision enter, and then if collision dot game object dot name is equals to ground, then on ground is equals to true. And there we go, we have jumping.